Google is really stepping up its game with the Pixel Watch, constantly improving year after year. Unlike Apple and Samsung, Google sticks to a single-size variant for its Pixel Watch models. The first Pixel Watch and the Pixel Watch 2 both come in a 41mm diameter size. However, the upcoming Pixel Watch 3 is rumored to introduce a 45mm size variant. This change comes after reports in January suggested that the next Google Pixel Watch would offer two size options. According to 9 to 5 Google, the Pixel Watch 3 will finally cater to users looking for a larger watch size, in addition to the traditional 41mm model. While both sizes are expected to have the same features, the larger 45mm watch may come with a bigger battery. Pixel Watch users have been asking for a larger size option, as the current 41mm model may feel small on larger wrists. In comparison, Apple and Samsung already offer smartwatches in multiple size variants. The Apple Watch Series 9 is available in 41mm and 45mm sizes, while the Galaxy Watch 6 comes in 40mm and 44mm options. Google has been making significant strides in improving its Pixel Watch year after year, demonstrating its commitment to the product. Recent information has surfaced suggesting that the upcoming Pixel Watch 3 will come with new and exciting functionality. Google is working on upgrading Watch Unlock to utilize ultra-wideband connectivity, which could potentially hint at the capabilities of the Pixel Watch 3. Last year, Google introduced Watch Unlock as an exclusive feature for the Pixel Watch series. By using Bluetooth ranging methods, your Android phone can automatically unlock when it is within a certain distance of your Pixel Watch. While Bluetooth works well for this purpose, it can sometimes take a few seconds to determine the distance between your watch and phone. However, Google has been steadily introducing new code in recent updates to the Play Services app to enhance Watch Unlock with ultra-wideband connectivity. It's important to note that ultra-wideband technology is not yet permitted in some countries like Indonesia and Ukraine. To address this, Google has developed a feature that automatically disables the enhanced version of Watch Unlock when you travel to these unsupported countries. You will receive a notification about Watch Unlock upon entering such areas. The mention of a slight delay and less accuracy indicates that the ultra-wideband-based Watch Unlock will offer faster and more reliable performance. Of course, for Watch Unlock to work, both your watch and phone must have the necessary hardware. While the Pro versions of Google's Pixel phones have already incorporated with this support, since the Pixel 6 Pro, the Pixel Watch series, has not yet featured this technology. Considering this and the exclusivity of Watch Unlock to the Pixel Watch series, it strongly suggests that the upcoming Pixel Watch 3 will indeed include ultra-wideband connectivity. So, what are your expectations for the upcoming Pixel Watch from Google? Let us know in the comments section below. For more updates, feel free to check out our channel. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace out.